the channel. So today's video is all about organizing, how to organize your home and create aesthetically pleasing and well labeled areas and spaces. And you guys, if you follow my channel, you know I'm all about, organizing, storing, making everywhere look livable, but also at the same time aesthetically pleasing. And I find that this actually, helps a lot, especially when I have like labeled areas and spaces. Let's say for instance in the pantry, I'm looking for pancake. I have pancake mix, I have probably some fufu mix and things like that, of which you guys know that those two things, they have the same look and the same texture, but being able to label them just helps me a lot whenever I'm using them. When it comes to home organization, I've actually cultivated the habit of labeling my areas, from my refrigerator to my kids room, my bathroom vanity, my pantry, everywhere, guys. And of course, if you watch my videos, guys, you know that I have worked with this particular brand a lot of times, guys. I mean, when it came to my kids room, we created bins for their closet, for their outfit. Of course, I'm going to lay the video in this video so you guys can see all the projects I've created using Cricut. So I'm so excited that today's video is done in collaboration with Cricut. And guys, guess what? I have a brand new Cricut machine right here, guys. Like, I'm so excited. One thing I absolutely love about Cricut is, apart from you using it in your home, you can use this in your businesses. And I even forgot to tell you guys, Cricut is a cutting machine brand, especially for DIYers, for crafters. If you're into DIYs, if you're into, crafting, of course, this video is definitely for you, because I'm going to break everything down from the unboxing to us doing our very first projects with this particular condiment organizer right here. As you guys can see, I picked this up for my refrigerator, and you guys are gonna see me create labels, because as you can see, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It came with 5 sections, and I would need to create labels to kind of differentiate and create different spaces on this particular wheeled I would say bowl right here. When I started using Cricut newly, especially when I heard Cricut newly, I was like, oh my gosh, what is that? Like, I'm the type of person that even though I use electronics, but sometimes the thought of a new electronics can be kind of daunting. It can make me be like, oh my gosh, like I don't want to be bothered. But surprisingly, Cricut is a very easy machine, guys. I mean, they have different machines depending on your need, and of course it's so affordable. I've seen a lot of times where they go into sales and you can get a Cricut machine as low as $100, $200. And of course, to use your Cricut machine, you need a design space, which is kind of an app. When you go to the Cricut.com, you're going to see the the app section where you click on it and you're able to download the design space. And basically, the design space is the area where you're able to kind of design your labels, design your design, if that makes sense. You know how sometimes maybe you want to create a design for your cup, for your mug, for your shirts, for your hats. I mean, businesses use Cricut. So Cricut is not just for the use in a home. You can use this for business. It's a very good investment and very, very affordable for you to use with your business, especially let's say during the holiday season. I absolutely love using my Cricut because we are able to create cards and things we send off to people. It gives you the ability to customize things for yourself. There's something called the Cricut Access subscription, where when you register for the first 3 months, it's only $4.99, but then monthly it's $9.99. But with this one right here, you have pre-made templates, you have designs that are already made for you, so that if you're the type of person that you don't want to spend a lot of time designing and doing your own thing, it's already there for you. You just go ahead and use them for your businesses, for your home, whatever it is. So guys, let's just go ahead and unbox my new Cricut machine, and I'm going to show you guys how I create label for my bowl condiments. Alright guys, so here we are with my new Cricut Explore 3. I'm so excited, guys, because I was able to achieve a lot with my smaller machine. Talk more of this one right here. This one, as you guys can see, it's huge. I'm just gonna quickly unbox it so that you guys can see right from the scratch, from unboxing to setting it up, using the design space. It's so easy, like I said. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. All right, so as you guys can see, it comes with the Cricut envelope. Let's see what's in here. All right, so it comes with the let's get started note. It comes with a Cricut, you know, smart vinyl, which is so good because, you know, if you don't have all the supplies, of course, you have something you can start with. It also comes with more, you know, smart vinyl. So let's go ahead and pull up the new machine. Oh my gosh, let me just gradually pull it out. Oh, and then also it comes with the plugs. Oh, I love the color. Let's start from the color, guys. I love it. So pretty. And here we are, guys, my first ever major Cricut machine. So let's go ahead and set it up. As you guys can see, I'm literally a JJC, just like any one of you guys. This is gonna be my first time using it, so let's figure it out. I guess, yeah, I have to plug it in. Ooh, opening up. Beautiful. I love the way it opens up, and of course we're just gonna go ahead and remove this. So of course you want to go into the Cricut app and download the design space. As you guys can see, I have my design space right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and link this Explore 3, you know, to my design space. As you guys can see, it says select your machine, Cricut Maker 3. So I'm gonna select my Cricut Explore 3. As you guys can see right here, I have this silicone cup holder right here, and this is, you know, a great storage, especially for, you know, for my crafters, for DIYers. Maybe you have, you know, some tools that you want to put in here. Of course, you can go ahead and do that. And also here is kind of a compartment storage, as you guys can see. So with this right here, I actually have like my Cricut, you know, my Cricut tools. So this, you know, would be perfect to fit these. Look at this, you know. I love that they have this storage, you know, compartment, so that it's easier, you know, when you're working on your projects. At least you know that all your materials are in here. Just go ahead and clip that. So we're just going to quickly go ahead and connect my computer to my machine so that we can create our first label, or of course our first design. So it comes with this card right here, and to be able to use it, you want to be able to, especially if you're using a Mac, you know, a MacBook, you know, you want to be able to have this adapter right here. And I'm going to plug this in here. So I'm just going to put it right here. I'm going to just go in and connect it to my computer. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and create our very first label, and I'm going to go to the design space, the canvas, and I'm going to go to text. So my condiments, of course, you can use this for your labeling, you can use it for your designs. It all depends on you. But for this project, I want to create label for, you know, my spin around, for my spin bowl. So I'm going to go in with jelly. So I'm going to, of course, delete that, and I'm going to go in with jelly. I'm going to write butter, seam, cheese, because these are the things I want to keep in that, you know, spin bowl. Select everything, attach it together so that they can all cut. So attach and then make. And I'm so happy that, you know, Cricut, they included all you need to make your first project for free. I have the smart vinyl, I have a transfer tape. Select Cricut Smart, and as you guys can see, it's ready. Continue. Go ahead and fit this in. and then I'm just gonna press go. So now it's cutting, it's cutting the label for me. So this is, also applicable if you're cutting a design, whatever you're doing, it's just going to quickly go ahead and cut that. All right, so here we are. As you guys can see, I have my jelly, my butter, my cheese. I'm just going to weed every other thing. This one is the peanut butter. I'm gonna go in with my transfer tape and just put it on it and transfer it to the spin bowl. Guys, we have peanut butter. Guys, I'm so excited for my very first project with my Cricut Explore 3. As you guys can see, I went ahead and added all my condiments in the bowl. I have my peanut butter, my cheese, my jelly, my mayonnaise, and my butter. As you guys saw, like, using Cricut is so easy. I know that, when you think about something like a machine like this, you're like, oh my gosh, I wish, like, I just hope it's not complicated. It's not complicated at all, guys. It's very, very easy. Like I said, if I can, go ahead and use Cricut, set it up and everything, you can definitely do it. So definitely check my description box because I'm going to link all my Cricut favorites there. So definitely check that out. And yep, you guys, till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.